Hey everybody, YouTube subscribers, Facebook friends, group members, general guitar enthusiasts, and anyone who's happened upon this video to learn more about how to play guitar using my own method. And this is Andy's free guitar chart videos, and I make the charts, and the charts help me develop my own method for playing guitar. The guitar that I have has the notes on it, and when I buy a new guitar, whenever I do, I don't get that many of them. It's really only a matter of days before the notes just magically appear on the fretboard. So this guitar is tuned down 2 whole steps, so that your guitar is likely tuned to this situation here, where this would be your fret nut, this would be the E, the A, the D, the G, the B, and the high E there, and this would be the C cage. Okay, and that's your basic open string cage. It's also key of cage, which is C, key of A, key of G. These are just the chords now, not the diatonic scales yet. And E, key of E, and key of D. Okay, to play the scales on the open position, we have to use the long patterns. This particular diagram right up here, I haven't put it, the cage ladder diagram, I didn't put it here because it's early today, so I have to start hitting on my coffee. I didn't put the cage ladder here to explain what I'm going to explain to you, but it's useful for that purpose. Okay, so this is basically 2 cage positions per string. So on the bottom here we have the C and the A. On the next string up, and that would be, if we did select 6 strings from there, we'd have the entire C position. But as it works out, as it turns out, we can label a C string shape, okay, where this is actually the bottom string of the C position. So it would be E, F, G, A. It's getting hot in here already. Okay, so I think I put that away twice. And the way that works is we get the string shapes. We could just quickly say, if we're going to look at 6 strings at a time here, so this would be the C. It would be the string shape would become the bottom string. So if we were going to look at a C shape here, first thing we want to do is mask out what we don't want to look at in the 10-string pattern, like that. And then we would want to adjust the diagram for the tuning of a guitar, which has that 3rd in it. So we're bringing the diagram over 1 fret, so it's so that we adjust for that, because the diagram's done in perfect fourths, and the tuning of a guitar has a 3rd in it between the G and the B string. So we move the pattern over, and now we have C here, but we also have a good part of the A shape, because we have the 5 root 3 shape there also. So we have the 3, we have the C, and then we have the A even. Got to bring that up, warp that up. And that's just your A shape. It's shaped like an A. It's really shaped like an A too, the A shape. So, and we'll have two shapes here, and the reason why I have it and call it the cage ladder, because we can climb up the strings in cage. C, A, G, E, D, C, A, G, E, D, C, A. The important point here is that, and we can go up in fifths here, which is just C, G, D, A, E, C, G, D, A, E. Okay, the fifth of E is B, but we take it back to C to stay in the string circle. Alright, and this is the cage circle, C, A, G, E, D. If we want to go in fourths, we can go backwards by skipping every other letter in the caged word. So it would be C, skip D to E, skip G to A, skip C to D, skip E to G, skip A to C again. Okay, so it would be C, E, A, D, G, C. C, E, A, D, G, C. It's like a star-shaped thing. So it might be a good idea to look at this, if I could get it, this other other guy right here. All right, let's bring this one up while we're talking about it, and we'll just put it right there. Additionally, we have okay, so we were in the middle of this situation too here. Additionally, we have in between the string shapes that I've defined these as the bottom string of each cage. So the bottom string would be C here, and then C goes to A to G to E to D, and backwards would be an ascending pentatonic scale, C, D, E, G, A. Okay, it's not, it's pentatonic. Okay, it's root 2, 3, 5, 6. In between the C and the A string shape, we have a 5. In between the A and the G string shape, we have a 6. Okay, here's the A and the G, and there'd be a 6 there. In between the G and the E string shape, G and E, we have 7 root. Okay, in between the E and the D string shape, right here we have E and D, we have the 2. So these are shared. These are shared when we're doing it in cage. C, A, G, E, D. They're shared notes. And in between D and C, we have share 3 and 4. How does that work? Okay, so I'm going to take the capo off just for the fun of it. So with C and A, we have... Okay, so let's look at this situation now. Okay, let's look at this situation here. So we're going to look at 2 string shapes for each string. So we start 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we can start again on 6 here. 6, 7 root. The G shape then goes to the E shape. Okay, then the E shape goes to the D shape, and the D shape sharing the 3, 4 goes to the C shape, and the C shape, we can take that 5 back up here on the ladder. You know how you have to hold on to a ladder in 2 places. So we got the double G there, we got 5, 6, and then 6, 7 root for another G shape, and it goes on. And now we have to warp it up. So we have to take this 7 over here. We take this over 1, this string, because we started on the 3. So we're working our way up to the 3. So these top 2 go over again. And, it goes on and on. 7 root 2, sharing the 2, we get 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that gives you caged ladder mobility, vertical mobility, going up and going down. When you're going down, you go down in an ascending pentatonic scale. So the word caged is C, A, G, E, D, which is a descending pentatonic scale. Okay, and the opposite of that is, or backwards, is D, E, G, A, C. So when we're down